Kenya Telecom. Welcome to our vlog. Ayan, mag-update tayo ng 14 series po. 14 series, ayan. Marami tayong stock. Nag-stock tayo ng 128, 256 gig at saka 512 gig. Pero yung ating 14 Pro, saka 14 Plus and 14, kukunti na lang po yan. Ayan. Bibili po kayo dito sa CNB Gadgets. Ayan, meron tayong freebies. Ang freebies natin is, ito po yung full package number 2. Full package number 2, 5 case, tempered glass, AirPods. Ayan. Plus, meron po tayo original na captor na 20 watts na Lubin brand po yan. Then, meron po tayong full package number 1. Yun po yung is, gift bag set, saka 5 case and tempered glass. Then pagahin po ng full package natin, meron tayong basic package. 2 case tempered and charger only. 7 days up to 14 days replacement warranty. 7 days up to 14 days warranty for factory defect only. Plus 3 months service warranty. No warranty for physical damage, water damage, and LCD damage. Ayun. Ang location pala natin dito sa Chongge is XB02, second floor, Greenhill, San Juan City. Then meron po tayong permanent shop. Located po ito sa third floor, V-Mall, Greenhill, San Juan City. Ayan. Lang po yung iPhone 14 natin. Ayan, 3 piraso na lang yung iPhone 14 natin. From 21,500 down to 21,000. Full package, basic package is 20,500.
Sino ba to, Tim? Ang gulo nito.
20,000.
Oh, tinan mo, oh. Talagang.
Busit kasi yan eh. Hindi pa kami nagsisimula eh. Sabihin niyang wala ng oras, hindi naabot. O diba? Ayan, meron tayong 14 plus, 128 gig. Bigay ko lang po ito ng 24,000. Full package, basic package is 23,500. Less cashback 522,500. Ay, 23,000. Magdalhin ko to. Ayan, meron din tayong iPhone 14 Pro. 14 Pro natin, 128 gig. Bigay ko lang po yan ng 29,000 full package. Basic package is 28,500. Less cashback 500, 28,000.
Very good.
14 Pro, 256 gig, 33,000 full package. Basic package is 32,500. Less cashback 500, 32,000. Meron akong nag-iisang dalawang 512 ng 14 Pro. Palit battery po yan na 100 battery health. 37,000 full package. Basic package is 36,500. Less cashback 500, 36,000. Yan again, marami tayong stock ngayon ng 14 Pro Max. From 128 up to 512 gig. Bagong stock po yan. iPhone 14 Pro Max. 14 Pro Max. 128 gig. Bigay ko lang po ito ng 33,000. Siyempre, bababaan ko na po siya. From 33,000 down to 32,500. Full package, basic package is 32,000. Less cashback 500, 31,500. 14 Pro Max, 256 gig, 36,000. Full package, basic package is 35,500. Less cashback 500, 35,000. Meron din po tayong 512 gig na 13 Pro Max. Bigay ko lang po siya ng 38,000 na lang. Full package, basic package is 37,500. Less cashback 500, 37 na lang. Ito yung stock natin ng iPhone 14 series. Ayan. Konti lang yung stock natin ng 14 Pro at saka 14 and 14 Plus. Ang madami po natin ngayon is 14 Pro Max. Kompleto po tayo ng gig, 128, 512 at saka 256 gig. Ayan, pwede po tayo sa cash on delivery or same day delivery within Metro Manila or nearby through our trusted rider. Delivery fee not free. Pwede rin po tayo magpa-ship via LBC, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Shipping fee not free. Sa mode of payment naman natin dito, pwede tayo sa cash, bank transfer, GCash, and credit card. And sa installment natin, pwede tayo sa credit card, GGigs, Pay Later, and Skyro. So, yun lang po. Bye!